Next thing I'd like to do is give an indication as to the price. At the moment, it's so easy just scrolling down to miss the non-zero values, especially if you're scrolling down more quickly. So there are several ways of doing that. First way is to use conditional formatting. So if we go into the properties, click on the list price, and go to the font color, you can see it's currently black. Now if we click on expression, this is where we can put in the conditional formatting. So what I want the expression to say is that if the list price is equal to 0, I want it one color, and if it's equal to another, I want it green. So let's see if we can work that out. So we get rid of what's there, and let's see if we can find an if statement. And there we do have an if with a double I. So double click on that. So if the list price, so go into the fields, list price, oops, sorry, if the list price is equal to 0, and notice unlike C# we just have to use 1 equals sign and not 2, then what I want it to be is, go to constants, I want it to be red. Don't seem to be doing well with the mouse at the moment. Notice that it puts it in as a string, that's what we need. And if not, I want it to be, let's go for aqua, and close. So click OK. Let's preview that. We'll select all subcategory IDs. And now you can see the list price is red when it's 0 and a different colour when it's not. So you can equally change the background. So let's do something different with the background colour. Let's say that if the row number is even, have it one colour, and if the row number is an other, have it another. So let's have a look, see if we can find the row number. Go down all of this, see if you can see the row number. And then this is a really good way of actually finding all of these functions to be able to learn them all, because this course would be a lot longer if it had to go through all of these. And eventually we can see their row number. Returns a running count of all rows in the specified scope. So if the row number for this particular scope, so the report item, what's the name of the report item? AW shared dataset maybe? Don't know, let's try it. So AW shared dataset. If it's divisible by 2, well, we have a mod arithmetic item here. There we go. So if mod of 2 is equal to 0, then I want the background to be one colour, yellow, and if not, I want it to be no colour, transparent. Okay, click OK. Now the question is, will that work? The best way to find out is to actually try it. And there you can see, because we had only the one list price highlighted, only that is changing colour, but it is now changing colour alternately. So when the row number is even, it's yellow. When it's odd, it's transparent or no colour. So these are examples of conditional formatting. Now some of the formulas might be perhaps a bit beyond the end of this course, but you'll be able to, I'll be showing you bit by bit various formulas that you can use, and then you know how to expand on that, because if you just go down to the expressions, you can just have a look at all of the different functions and go, oh yes, this one uses, like Excel uses the find function, this uses instra, just like VBA. So you'll find actually a lot of this is based on the VBA, because there's a lot of .NET and VBA that's gone into this. So that's conditional formatting, and also how to find out what various functions do, how you can find out what all the functions are.